Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 20th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the dollar yen, I do see two possibilities on this weekly monthly time frame. Possibility number one is this is the end of a wave 5, and this is going to make a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and just keep on going down, breaking the low of wave 4. Possibility number two is that it could be a crescent to this last 5 waves up. If that's the case, then it would be a 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, and then continue the uptrend. So as you notice, either scenario, it makes impulsive down, corrective up. So at this point in the pattern, it's definitely not really important to know the difference yet. Going down to the weekly time frame, I'm definitely looking at this first move down as a wave A. I think it needs to go up and make a wave B. What's a wave B should be a crescent to the wave A, and eventually I think it will head back down for a wave C. Or this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2, and then it goes down for a wave 3. Now you can see why I don't really care whether it's an ABC or a 1, 2, 3, because the trading strategy is exactly the same for a wave B or a wave 2, just like the trading strategy was exactly the same for the wave A or wave 1. I think we're in a wave B or wave 2 right now, so we should be looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the daily time frame, we just recently broke structure on the daily time frame, so I think that's going to help confirm to us that we're probably going to go up and make a crescent to this move down. Now, as of right now, I just got my Fibonacci on this move right here because those are probably areas of resistance, but I think it's likely to break both of these highs, maybe even go up into this little drop-based drop zone up here, ending either a wave B or wave 2 before it goes down for either a wave 3 or a wave C. So let's take a look at it on the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame is where you can kind of clearly see the breaker structure, and this is a killer entry right here. These are what I always tell the members of my group. These are the bread and butter trades. You get a breaker structure, you get a 1, 2, 3 pullback, and you go long at the end of the pullback. Those are some of the safest entries you can enter in the market, in my opinion. And if it really is the end of a crescent like it looks like, then it should continue to make higher highs, higher lows, which means that we should be able to go long at the end of every single pullback we see from this point on. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, like I was just explaining, these are the bread and butter trades. You get the breaker structure, you get impulsive down, corrective up, impulsive down, you get a nice engulfing move to the upside, a nice breaker structure. What a perfect A, B, C correction. I actually went long on this morning. It was such a nice looking A, B, C correction. And every single trade I take, I do share with the members at the time of entry. So hopefully all of my members also are long on this. So if this really is what it looks like it is, then yeah, it may pull back at this high a little bit. But I would personally be excited about pullbacks, not to go short, but in order to go long again for the continuation of this uptrend. Maybe we can build a really nice long position to the upside over the next several weeks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.